Hello, I'm Frans Lanting. As a photographer, I document our living planet. I work with animals, I cover landscapes, and I document how people live with their natural environment. Here are 5 tips about how I photograph wildlife. Tip number 1. Head out early and stay out late. The places where animals occur, in wildlife refuges or in parks, are more and more crowded with people now. And most animals like to avoid people. So go out before sunrise and stay till the last people leave, and you'll see a lot more. And another benefit of that is that often the light gets better. It's best around sunrise, and the magic hour after sunset is also really interesting. Tip number 2. Understand what you're looking at. Read about animal behavior and then pay attention to what animals do. Often the same thing happens over and over again. And that is what I try to intersect with when I aim my camera at animals. The first time you may not get what you want, but then if you see the same behavior happen again, you'll be in a better starting position. When it comes to photographing whales, pay attention to their breathing patterns. They come up to take 3 to 4 breaths before they dive back down under again. And that is when the flukes show. You've got to be prepared to cover that and have extra space in your composition, because otherwise you won't get a shot like this. Tip 3. Be respectful. Let animals be themselves without being affected by you. Give them time to respond to you or to ignore you. And in the long run, you'll get far better results. And of course, when it comes to dangerous animals like bears or lions, that is not just a good tip for them, but also a good tip for yourself. Avoid confrontation. Tip number 4. Let the camera do what it is designed to do better than you can on your own. Auto ISO has become my new secret weapon. It enables me to let the ISO float, and all I have to do is either pay attention to the shutter speed for technical controls or my aperture for creative controls. Cameras are amazing these days. Tip number 5. Mind your background. It's not just about the animal, it's the world, it's part of it. So widen your perspective, make an animal become part of the environment, or really choose for a very clean background so that the animal stands apart from the background. 2 ends of the same spectrum. I hope you got something out of these tips and that you can apply them no matter where you are and what you're focused on. And most importantly, don't forget, even if you go home without photographs, it is always an amazing experience to be out there in the world of nature and learn how animals live. And that is what has driven me for decades. And maybe I'll see you out there someday.